Are we truly alone in the universe, or is ET subtly waving at us from the heart of the Milky Way? In this galactic rollercoaster, we'll zoom into the heart of our own Milky Way and hop over to the mysterious TRAPPIST-1 system. We're talking alien hunts, mind-boggling exoplanets, and software that's making the sci-fi dream of interstellar communication a reality. You'll want to stick around till the end because we're not just unveiling the mysteries of space, we're revealing the high-tech treasure map that could lead us to the ultimate cosmic jackpot. So buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Imagine an enchanting family of planets all cozied up around their parent star, just like kids huddled around a campfire. This celestial campfire, my friends, is TRAPPIST-1, and its cozy clan is the most fascinating group of Earth-sized planets we've ever laid our telescopes on. In 2017, NASA, the Grand Master of Stargazing, gave us some groundbreaking news. They'd stumbled upon TRAPPIST-1, a system packed with 7 rocky worlds, all snuggling within the star's habitable zone. Now, what does that mean, you ask? Well, imagine Goldilocks in space. These planets are not too hot, not too cold, but just right for water to exist on their surface. And where there's water, there might just be the makings for life as we know it. So why do scientists get all giddy when they find water somewhere other than Earth? Well, as far as we know, water is like the secret sauce for life. It is a fantastic solvent, so it's pretty good at getting different chemicals to mingle and interact. This is key for biochemical reactions, the very process that are at the core of life itself. Everything from our cellular machinery to our DNA needs water to function properly. But what does this mean for our interstellar detective work? It means that when we're looking for life out there in the cosmos, our best bet is to follow the water. If a planet has water, especially liquid water, it could be a potential haven for life, similar to what we have here on Earth. In 2018, researchers delved deeper into this cosmic mystery and found that these planets could be absolutely drenched in water. We're not talking tiny backyard pools here. No, these planets could have more water than Earth's oceans, and in all 3 of its spectacular forms. Picture this: one planet might be shrouded in atmospheric water vapor, the next one bathed in liquid water, and another one frosted over with ice. It's like a water-themed amusement park, spanning a whole planetary system. And the gifts of TRAPPIST-1 keep on giving. Fast forward to 2021, and scientists are telling us that these planets are made of the same stuff: iron, oxygen, magnesium, silicon, the usual rocky planet recipe. But hold your space horses, there's a twist. These planets are about 8% less dense than they would be if they had the same makeup as Earth. It's like comparing a heavy chocolate cake to a lighter, fluffier sponge cake. They have similar ingredients, but the proportions and the final texture very different. So why all the fuss about these far-off orbs? Because these planets aren't just intriguing curiosities, they're a treasure trove of cosmic possibilities. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, the eagle-eyed sentinel of our skies, got its first peek at TRAPPIST-1b, the innermost planet. What did it see? A blistering dayside temperature and little evidence of an atmosphere. Now that might not sound hospitable to you and me, but remember we've got 6 more planets in the TRAPPIST-1 family to snoop around. In the cosmic game of hide and seek, the TRAPPIST-1 system offers some of the best hiding spots. Every discovery we make, each planet we peek at, brings us closer to possibly finding a cosmic neighbor. So strap on your space helmets, let's go on a wild ride into the heart of our galaxy, where the folks at Radio SETI are exploring a compelling question. Could intelligent alien life be hiding in the bustling center of the Milky Way? But first, let's zoom out from the Milky Way and zoom into SETI. What is it? It stands for the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. Yeah, that's right, their day job is literally to search for signs of alien civilizations. It's like the cosmic version of finding a needle in an interstellar haystack. But instead of a needle, they're looking for extraterrestrial signals. And instead of a haystack, well, it's the entire universe. Now, if you're picturing a group of lab-coated scientists huddled around a giant radio telescope, you wouldn't be far off. But it's not just about sitting around waiting for ET to phone home. The folks at SETI are pushing the boundaries of science and technology to make this search more sophisticated and far-reaching. Now, if you're an intelligent civilization looking to broadcast a cosmic hello, what better place than the galaxy's core? It's like the downtown of the universe, packed with stars and potentially habitable exoplanets. This is why SETI has tuned its celestial ears to this particular galactic hub. But how do you listen for life in such a vast expanse? Enter Akshay Suresh, a graduate student from Cornell University. He and his team developed advanced software to detect the universe's Morse code, so to speak, rhythmic radio pulses. While these pulses are naturally emitted by pulsars, they're also employed in human tech, like radar. The hypothesis? Intelligent extraterrestrials might be using a similar method of cosmic communication. These aren't your everyday radio signals, though. They're incredibly narrow frequency pulses, about a tenth of the width of frequencies used by your average FM radio station. To verify their software's capabilities, the team conducted a test run on known pulsars to ensure the program could pick up these skinny frequencies amidst the cosmic cacophony. Yet the initial search didn't yield the desired results. But that's far from the end of the story. The new search method is as efficient as it is innovative, capable of analyzing 1.5 million telescope data samples in just half an hour. This rapid speed promises to enhance future searches, making it easier to sift through the stellar haystack for potential needles of extraterrestrial life. So while we haven't found intelligent cosmic neighbors just yet, the search is far from over. With such an efficient search tool in hand, the team at SETI is poised to continue their quest. Who knows what we might discover as we continue to tune into the heart of the Milky Way. But what do these developments mean for our future? Not just in the field of exoplanet studies, but also for our understanding of life's potential beyond Earth. First off, detecting atmospheres around the TRAPPIST-1 planet signals potential conditions that could support life. Much like uncovering an intriguing secret, this discovery hints at the possibility of life existing beyond the confines of our planet Earth. It's an encouraging beacon of hope for scientists who dedicate their lives to uncovering the mysteries of space. Next up is the James Webb Space Telescope, a remarkable piece of technology poised to offer us a clearer view of the TRAPPIST-1 system. With this advanced tool, we're opening a window to a cosmic neighborhood we've barely begun to explore. The information we gather here could significantly shift our perspective on our place in the universe. Now swinging back to Akshay Suresh and the SETI Institute, their novel method of handling vast volumes of data represents a significant leap in the search for extraterrestrial life. This innovation might well be our first real step towards not only detecting, but understanding potential alien civilizations. It's a pioneering accomplishment that could put us on the path to confirming that we're not alone in the cosmos. As for the future, our journey of exploration is just hitting its stride. We've turned our attention towards the center of the Milky Way, where we're listening in on an interstellar symphony, hoping to catch a note that signals life. With each passing day, our techniques become more sophisticated, our reach extends further, and our hope of finding life elsewhere in the cosmos strengthens. So here we are, standing on the precipice of potentially world-altering discoveries. It's the same spirit that pushed us to explore the Earth, that drives us to probe the depths of the sea, and that now propels us towards the stars. And guess what? If we discover our cosmic neighbors, we can use human hibernation to visit them too. And if hibernating humans interests you, you can check out this video here. The future is quite literally wide open. Who knows? The next big breakthrough could be a signal away.